Camping tips and tricks for wilderness lovers. While camping is a rather simple pastime for millions of people around the world, one of the key secrets to having a great trip is to know enough ahead of time to be skilled at it. Just knowing a little bit of information about camping can help your camping trip go off without a hitch. When you decide to go camping, you want to make sure that you bring a flashlight with some batteries. You want to be able to see in the middle of the night just in case you have to get up and go to the bathroom, or just to move around. When you pack up your campsite to go home, leave a few logs and some kindling for the next camping group that comes along. If you have ever arrived at your site after dark, you know how tough it can be to find firewood. It's a very nice pay-it-forward gesture that will probably help out more than you can imagine. Figure out your new gear before you go camping. The practice does really help. No one wants to get to the campground, only to find out that they don't know how to use something or set up their own tent. Practice with your new gear before you ever set foot on the campground. Introduce yourselves to other families camping in your immediate area, as a means of being social and more apt to help each other out. If another crew arrives after you've set up, offer to help with their tent or equipment. If something goes awry during the trip for anyone, it's much easier to ask for help from somebody who was courteous enough to introduce themselves. Take a class on how to do first aid. This is especially important if you are taking kids with you. In case of an accident, you will know what to do until medical help arrives. Be sure to research beforehand. Knowing about the native species in your camp area, such as snakes or other dangerous animals, is essential. Get everything you need ready for your meals before you get to your campsite. If you are only camping for a few days, this initial trip to the store should be all that you need to do. Stock up on non-perishable items, too. You don't want you or your family members to be hungry on your trip. This video gave you enough information so that you should be adept at handling basic camping events that come your way, even if you haven't left for your trip yet. Camping is a fun excursion for everyone in the family, and if you keep the advice here in mind, your trip will be a blast. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.